How to disable read receipts in Facebook Messenger. If you want more privacy while using Facebook Messenger, turning off read receipts can help you read messages without letting others know you've seen them. To do this, start by opening the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once inside, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, tap the Settings gear icon to open your Messenger settings. Then scroll down and select Privacy and Safety. In this section, you'll see various privacy controls. Look for an option called Read Receipts. Tap on it and you'll find a switch next to show Read Receipts. Turn this off to disable the feature. Once turned off, people will no longer see when you've read their messages. But keep in mind you also won't be able to see when they have read yours. After making the change, your preference is saved automatically, and you can turn it back on any time if needed. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.